Madras Kapi one, not the Madras Kapi. I think the Kapi one, filter coffee one. Hi, my lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As the title suggests, we are back with the product empties video. I do this video every single month without fail, and it's been what 1 year since my content creation journey, and I've been doing this video every month. But अगर आप मेरे page में जाके देखेंगे तो I'm sure you'll find at least 11 to 12 product empties video. Very raw and very realistic. These are the products that I keep running out of. You can see that कुछ products हर महीने repeat होते रहते हैं. You guys love watching my product empties video, but in this video I have very little products, and these are the products that I managed to finish. बहुत कम है, and I'm gonna run you through very quickly because कुछ products तो बहुत repetitive है और कुछ products मैंने इधर उधर कोई ना कोई वीडियो में आपसे उस बारे में मैंने डिटेल्स शेयर करा है. I don't know how I'm looking today. I think I'm looking like a cartoon. Please excuse me. I did this entire makeup in exactly 5 to 7 minutes. मैंने बाल भी straighten नहीं करा है, and that's the reason it's all like this. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure you guys can understand. This is only for my OG subscribers. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. Please excuse my look right now. This is not how I look. Take a moment and go through my page. Look little presentable. Just excuse me for today. With that, let's quickly get started. The first product that I'm going to talk about is not a beauty item, but it's for your health, and this is from the Cosmic Wellness. This is the no nonsense plant based protein. I'm sure I have spoken a lot about this particular product in many of my videos, but फिर भी अगर कोई new है तो मैं बता देती हूँ. This is a vegan protein. This is the protein that's been suiting me since over 2 years now. I completely trust this protein powder, this brand, and they have not given me any sort of side effects. Cut to 2 years back, I was on whey protein for over 3 years, and उसकी वजह से मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. I've shared in one of my video. मुझे याद रहा तो मैं वो वीडियो का लिंक ऊपर या नीचे कहीं डाल दूंगी और मैं टाइम स्टैम्प छोड़ देती हूँ. For all those जिनको whey protein सूट नहीं करता है, I'd like to give you guys an piece of advice that try out plant-based protein powder, any brand. This brand in particular suits me so nicely. It did not give me bloating, no gut issue whatsoever. वे प्रोटीन में ब्लोटिंग होता है, गट प्रॉब्लम होता है, फ्लैटुलेंस का प्रॉब्लम होता है, but it did not give me any breakouts also. Plus it tastes so delicious for someone who does not like chocolate, who does not like sugary things. For me, there's a boon, and I'm really happy. They come up with so good flavors. This is the Ratnagiri mango one, and the best thing is none of these flavors are artificial. These are real fruit based plant protein powder. For the year आपको ये flavors नहीं मिलते. My absolute flavor is Ratnagiri mango, and another one is strawberry, Mahabaleshwar strawberry. Absolutely non-sponsored. They don't even know I exist. This is neither stevia nor added sugar, no gums, no enzymes of artificial flavors, no natural identical flavors either. तो जो भी इसका स्वीटनेस है इज फ्रॉम द फ्रूट, एंड कैलोरी भी इसका काफी कम है. इट्स 144 कैलोरी पर सर्विंग. यू गाइस चेक इट आउट इफ यू गाइस आर लुकिंग फॉर अ प्लांट बेस्ड प्रोटीन पाउडर. गाइस मैं बहुत ज्यादा गर्म हो रहा है, एंड आई एम सॉरी. आई हैड टू टाई माय हेयर. आई नो मैं बहुत ज्यादा बुरा दिख रही हूँ, बट वी डोंट जज, राइट? सो या अर्थ रिदम. दिस इज द बटर क्रीम सोप. मैंने इसके बारे में काफी ज्यादा बात की है. आई completely finished this one. My favorite one was the Madras Kapi one, not the Madras Kapi. I think the Kapi one, filter coffee one. Yeah, but this one is the vanilla cream one, and now I am on to my third tub, which is the blueberry one. Which I'm loving it right now. But this one, sadly, I did not like it because the vanilla in it is too mild. It's too mild, and it's little plasticky for my liking. I like vanilla like right on my face. Nevertheless, the formula is same. It is very nourishing, perfect for dry skin people, perfect for winter or monsoon. मैं तो उसको summer में भी use कर रही हूँ. मुझे तो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. It's very nourishing. It does not strip off your moisture, etc. Plus, it lathers very beautifully. You really need a very little quantity. Absolutely purchase. Then moving on to my moisturizer. This is the Plum 2% Rice Water Niacinamide Gel Face Cream. This has 2% niacinamide. It does not have any artificial fragrance, like added fragrance, and it is a perfect moisturizer for someone who is oily skin or combination skin, or someone who is looking for a gel based moisturizer. It's very lightweight. has very good clean ingredients, suits me very nicely, does not irritate my skin at all, does not cause breakouts at all. It does have 2% niacinamide, so it's going to help you in fading the blemishes and acne scars and everything. So perfect moisturizer. I've already pre-purchased it and I have a backup which I started using it again. This one is the Plum Rice Water Simply Bright Face Wash 2%. They both belong to the same category. This one I'm not going to repurchase. It does have artificial fragrance, so that's the reason I'm not going to buy this. This is a very gentle face wash which does not strip your moisture, plus it lathers very nicely and it cleanses your pores also very. If you're not allergic to fragrance, or if don't the fragrance don't bother you at all, you guys can totally check this duo, because this has 2% niacinamide, this has 2% niacinamide, and if you use a sunscreen which is also niacinamide, I think you would still be under 5 or 6% of niacinamide, which is absolutely safe and also falls under therapeutic index. Very recently, I got a couple of people asking me to review the 10% niacinamide, the pink serum, which is like going so viral from Dot and Key. I am also very attracted to it, and I have an itch to buy that, but I'm not sure I'll be getting it. I'm sorry, because I cannot promise that whether I'll be reviewing it for you guys or not, because it's 10% niacinamide, and 10% niacinamide is quite a high concentration for like at least my skin type, so I wouldn't really go ahead and purchase it. I don't know, let's see, but as of now I cannot promise. Then moving on, I finished one sunscreen. This is the Wishcare Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. I have used all the three combination, works so beautifully. This is a very lightweight sunscreen, but it's not matte. An oily skin person can use it. It will definitely give you a little bit of moisturizing effect. It's very lightweight, gets absorbed into skin completely. I'm not denying all those, but if you compare it with some sunscreen which has like dimethicos and silicones, this is not matte. When you say matte, I need some silicone feeling or the slippery texture, which will like keep your oil at bay. Having said that, this gets completely absorbed into the skin, does not feel chip, greasy, oily. So all skin types can use it. This has Cica, ceramides, oat extract, zinc PCA. If you guys want, I'll have the ingredients list right here, and I have a rough idea like kya kya UV filters. I've already repurchased this and I am using it currently. So love this sunscreen, will repurchase. Then while we are talking about Wishcare, I finished one more body sunscreen. इसके बारे में मैं कुछ बताऊं क्या? Hell yes, definitely going to repurchase. I've already repurchased and I'm using it. A very good body SPF, which does not feel greasy, which does not feel chip, provides SPF 50, does not leave a white cast. Love this sunscreen. Then I finished one L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Conditioner. This is a very underrated gem. I don't know why people keep talking about the purple one, the Hyaluronic Moisture range. That is also very good. I repurchased that one, but nobody talks about this one. This is also a very good nourishing conditioner. Extremely dry, frizzy hair. Please do try this one out. Amazingly works. Plus, it has a very good aromatic fragrance as opposed to the hyaluronic range, और मुझे इसका fragrance भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It keeps my frizz at bay. A definite repurchase. Then moving on to a perfume. This one is the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Perfume. So love this fragrance. I love the pistachio, the honey, the vanilla, caramel, everything going on this perfume. This does not last that much. That is the only problem why I wouldn't be repurchasing as of now. But if I talk about the fragrance, this is exactly the fragrance which I love. Having said that, this worked very beautifully. If I layered them, or if I'm using the Caramelloca body wash and the Caramello body lotion, this did work pretty good. Especially on clothes, it lasted good decent amount of time, but I'm not sure. I don't think I'll be repurchasing it just for now. So dekhte if I ever find the need to repurchase again. Oh my god, I feel like placing an order immediately. It's so delicious. Another makeup product that I finished is this Mars Wonder Fixer setting spray. Amazing setting spray. Just 50 ml quantity. थोड़ा product बचा था इसमें. The spray in it is so fine. It's not like it spits on your face, and it does not give you matte look, but at the same time it's not extremely dewy like the MAC Fix Plus one, but it does give a very beautiful dewy glowy finish, which I'm all for. I'm definitely, I think, gonna repurchase this one. I was thinking to repurchase the maroon one with the golden cap. Packaging मुझे उससे ज़्यादा पसंद है, तो probably I'll be repurchasing this one as well. Both are dewy only. I have to compare this one with that, the maroon one. इसका spritz बहुत अच्छा है, so I'll be repurchasing this one. Then I think that's about it. I finished one cuticle oil and I finished one hand and foot mist. Both I cannot give you the link. का fragrance ना बहुत ज़्यादा मस्त है. It's very floral kind of a fragrance. I always keep some of the other cuticle oil in my vanity, and I before I go off to my bed, I always like to apply it on my feet, fingernails. But I really need a cuticle oil. ये सब लगाने के बाद भी ना मेरा हाथ आप लोग देखोगे ना, you guys will vomit. That's much how bad my cuticles they look. Then the last two products are from P Safe. One is P Safe Panty Liner. You guys know I finish these panty liners every month. Nothing new. I'm already repurchased and I'm using it. And this product no one talks about. This is the period panty. If you guys are a heavy bleeder, like if you have heavy flow during your periods and you're always that cautious, you walk in a certain way and you don't sleep in a certain way, like because you're always worried that you may stain your clothes or you may it may overflow. You guys must try out the period panties, because I have tried out the Whisper period panties and the P Safe panty liner panties also. But if I have to compare, I felt that P Safe period panties are much more softer and comfortable and undetectable as opposed to the Whisper one. उसका भी comfortable था, but I think this one was more comfortable. It does come in 2 or 3 sizes, so just pick the size according to your waist, because अगर आपने छोटा कर दिया तो it's gonna be very tight, और बड़ा कर दिया तो it's gonna obviously leak. But this gives you 360-degree protection. I use it only one day, guys. First day रात को मैं use करती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा flow like it's only 2 days, so touch wood. But मैं सिर्फ first day रात को use करती हूँ, and since the time I've started using this P Safe panties, I have been sleeping very nicely. Like अभी मुझे वो टेंशन ही नहीं है कि first day रात का नींद मेरा पूरा नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं है. I just sleep like a baby. I sleep however, पैर कहीं पे भी ऊपर नीचे मैं कैसे भी सोती हूँ. I've been sleeping and I don't wake up in the middle of the night. I literally wake up the next morning, and even after that, the complete period panty is not soaked. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I personally don't think it's very expensive. It's 199 for 4 disposable period panties, and these are supposed to be used only at night. Of course, you can use it in the daytime also, but I think it will show the it's not seamless, right? So this is actually for the night. They say it's leak proof overnight protection. So नाइट के लिए परफेक्ट है, और नाइट के लिए 4 पीरियड पैंटी है. लाइक इवन इफ यू ब्लीड फॉर 4-5 days, एक पैकेट जो है वो आपको 1 महीना चलेगा. बट फॉर मी इट्स नॉट द केस. आई ओनली यूज इट वंस, तो मेरे को ये एक पैकेट 4 महीना चलता है. सो I think it's cheaper. They do come in 2 size, medium to large and large to XL. So you guys can pick up according to your waistline. And this is 199 rupees. आई थिंक अमेजन पे हमेशा ही ऑफर चलता है, और अगर आपको पीसीएफ के वेबसाइट से लेना है, आई थिंक आई डू हैव अ कूपन कोड, आई यू विल गेट 20% ऑफ. सो ये और भी सस्ता पड़ जाएगा. तो definitely check it out if you guys like suffer from those problems. So with that, I think we have come to the end of the video. I think ये सबसे ज़्यादा छोटा product reviews video रहा है मेरे पूरे content creation journey का. I hope you guys like this video and you stayed till the end of the video. I hope to see you next time super soon. Yeah, that's all. I don't want to ramble much. Without further ado, I think I shall take off and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.